DLRs, hey, what's going on? Mike Boards with the Mike Boards channel. Thank you for watching. Hey, we're talking Dyson vacuum cleaners today, and we just purchased a hanging kit, and we are going to open the box, assemble it, and give you an honest review of what we think about it. Let's get started. DLRs, here it is inside the box, and we will open that here shortly. And down below in the comments and description will be a link on where to purchase this, and we are excited. We think this is going to serve a great purpose. We're not going to bore you with the building or assembly process. We're just going to build it, show you the end result. Here it is, well packaged. However, taking a step back before we begin assembling it, I do want to show you the parts removed from the box, and very important, the instruction sheet here. Just ensure you have all of your parts present. If you're missing parts, you can't really finish the project. In addition, before we build it, I just want to show you what our setup looks like right now. I mean, we don't have anywhere to hang it. We don't have anywhere to organize it. That's what it looks like. Making progress. Here it is, fully built or assembled, and to be truthfully honest, it only took me about 12 minutes to put together. This part right here, or the top portion, the wall-mounted support part that comes with your Dyson vacuum cleaner, it is compatible with that portion right there. So you do have the option of not installing the base and just installing this entire bracket on the wall. However, if you don't want it on the wall and you want to be able to move it anytime you please, you've got the bottom base there. And I have applied the little pads on either corner. Taking a step back in DIYs, the project does look complete. However, it is not, and what I mean by that, I have fastly realized you do actually need the original wall-mounted brace or bracket that comes with your vacuum cleaner. And we are not going to secure this to the wall. We are going to basically ship this inside a closet, and it will look just like that, out of the way and organized. We're back with you, and it's been a few days, and yes, we ordered the adapter mount that will secure to the top portion right there. Down below in the comments and description will be a link on where to purchase that, and this is compatible with the V7 and V8 in our case. Here it is unpackaged, and the top part of the mount is the portion that has the pivot or hinge designed to it, as shown here. And it came with 2 drywall anchors, 2 screws, and we're going to use the original hardware that came with the actual mount to secure that. Here it is installed, and again, very easy, just 2 screws and 2 nuts. And something important to point out, in the event that you keep it in this current configuration, or in other words, keep that base installed and do not mount this on the wall, you're basically done. However, in the event that you change your mind and you want this entire portion mounted on the wall, you will get rid of the base. And on the back side, you notice that the 2 nuts and screws come out the back side, and that will alleviate or make it impossible for this entire mount to seat flush against the wall when you mount it. So you will take both of those out, revert back to the drywall anchors and screws. Taking a step back, I do want to show it in motion, and the base portion or battery portion of your vacuum, this little rounded part here, you will shift it inside here and pivot it down and lock it in place. How cool is that? And to remove it, just push up and pivot it out and remove it from the mount. In addition, you can put or feed your battery cable through here so it can connect to the battery port. Coming inside the closet, we mounted this entire portion to the wall, and I removed the base just to show you what it looks like without it. And that base will still fit. However, that will be personal preference, whether or not you have it installed. In addition, I placed that adapter as well as a bristle adapter on the bottom inserts of the mount that came in the mail yesterday.